Hey everybody, I'm going to do an unboxing of a Hot Wheels package I received. I have to be quick with this because I have to go back to work. I'm on my break at the moment. And for anyone who doesn't know, guys, I actually work from home, so I don't go into an office to work. So if anybody is wondering why I'm saying I'm working, it's because I work from home. But I'm going to show you what I got today. Really quick, this is the Volkswagen Beetle. From 2009. This I'm gonna resell. I already have this, so I'm gonna resell this. This is Pass and Gasser. I got those two because to get this red one, because I don't have this red version. Custom 67 Pontiac Firebird 400. Plymouth Superbird. Highway Hauler. 5 Alarm. Get out the rest of these here. We have a bunch of cars in here. El Camino. 41 Woolies. The gray version of the V16. I don't have that one. Pass and Gasser. H2Go. Corvette Police. Humvee with the green variation. I don't have that one. 40 Ford. Proper Chopper, and finally the 56 Ford F100. Okay, guys, thanks.